Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Okidata ES7412 printer, and we're going to show you how to manage your consumables. And when I'm talking about consumables, I'm referring to your drums, toners, transfer belt, fuser, things of that nature. We're going to show you how to pull up a report to pull up the percentages on all those items so that you're not waiting for the last second for the printer to tell you something needs to be replaced. That way you can kind of better manage ordering and replacing those so you're not waiting for the last second to try to get all those done at once. So, it's a very simple process. What you're going to want to do is obviously make sure your printer is turned on and your screen is on its normal ready screen. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the arrow keys to scroll down, and you're going to find the print information tab, hit enter. And again, using the arrow keys, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find supplies report. Once you find supplies report, hit enter. And then it's going to bring up an option that says execute, hit enter again. And that's going to print our supplies report. So again, this is going to have a lot of information about the components inside the printer, and that way, like I said, we can manage them, keep a closer eye on them, and order things as needed, or even before they're absolutely needed. That way you don't have to worry about any downtime in case something's back ordered or not in stock. It's always better to be prepared, because it never fails. It's always right when there's a big print job ready to come up, and we don't want your printer to be down because something just needs to be replaced. It's a very simple thing to replace. So, this is our supply status report, and if you look at it, like I said, it has all the numbers, all of our toners, all of our drums. It also tells you your belt unit and your fuser unit. It tells you the percentage on all those items, lets you know exactly where you are. It actually also tells you how many pages you printed, so you can get a good idea of how many pages it took to get to where these need to be replaced, so you know how much life you actually got out of everything. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Or if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.